Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this dishwasher. It's a Whirlpool dishwasher. And you can hear this noise. So right now it's on diagnostic mode. My customer's complaint was that it fills with water, it drains, but it doesn't wash. So what I did was I pressed these three buttons, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It went to the diagnostic mode. When it goes to the diagnostic mode, it checks each component one by one. It fills with water. After that, the wash motor is gonna run. But right now, I can see the wash motor is only making that cracking noise, but it doesn't do anything. My customer's complaint was that it fills with water, but it doesn't do anything. To me, it looks that the wash motor is seized. Maybe there's something stuck where the wash motor coupling is. I'm gonna pull the whole dishwasher out, and then I will check maybe there's something stuck inside the wash motor. So I'm gonna drain it. I also try to open everything apart from inside, but it looks like I cannot get to the wash motor from inside of the dishwasher. I really have to pull this dishwasher out in order to check the wash motor if there's something stuck in it. Also, you can press these three buttons at the same, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It will also reset the main control board. If you guys have the same dishwasher looking like this and the relay board is not working or it's not functioning properly, by pressing these three buttons like 9 times, it's gonna reset the relay board for you, and that would be a good fix. But right now I'm gonna have to turn off my phone. I will pull the dishwasher out, and then I will see maybe something is stuck in the wash motor. Hello friends, so this is the second part for the dishwasher, which it was installed there. I didn't have to put any sheet there to protect the floor because there is rubber feet on this dishwasher. It's not gonna make any scratch. I drained the dishwasher, opened the door, and put a towel inside where the door closer is, so it's not gonna leak water. Even if it leaks water, the water is gonna go inside the towel. And here's the wash motor that it was making cracking noise, and the dishwasher was not running. This is our drain pump. This is our wash motor. To take this wash motor out to see if there is something stuck in it, if you look on this side here, there's this clip. I pressed it with a screwdriver already, so I can turn the dishwasher wash motor with my hand, just like that here. So the wash motor is gonna come out now. I know it's tricky with one hand holding. Okay, so here's the wash motor. Here's the hole. There's nothing where this hole goes to the sump pump. There's nothing in there, and this is what my wash motor. I'm gonna put my phone, and you can see it's turning. There's not even a capacitor on this unit, so I don't know why the wash motor is not running. It looks like it was seized, but I cannot see anything wrong here. What I'm gonna do, I will install this back and run the wash motor again, the dishwasher again, and see why the wash motor is not running. Worst case, I'm gonna replace this wash motor. I'm gonna get the model number, and then I will replace this wash motor. So to install this back, I'm gonna use the same trick. So this goes here, press them, and then I'm gonna turn it, and you will see how it looks from here. Okay, when you install the wash motor, make sure to not install it in the wrong way, otherwise you can get water leak from this area. And just go back and forth to see, make sure it's not loose. Put your power cable back in connector. This is the power connector for the wash motor, and it goes there. So I didn't find anything, but I'm gonna run it again. Maybe there was something stuck, maybe the wash motor is weak on it. So I reinstalled the dishwasher. It's not fully installed because these screws are holding it to the cabinet, but after checking the wash motor, I'm gonna go back again on diagnostic and see what happens. It's on diagnostic. Make sure you don't get any leak from the wash motor. I installed the wash motor back again, so I want to make sure I don't get any water leak. This is the drain pump, but the wash motor is at the back. You still can see it if it leaks, but I'm sure it's not going to leak because I installed the wash motor back again. It's filling right now. Okay, boom. So the wash motor is working now. There was probably something stuck by running or playing with the wash motor coupling. I unseized the wash motor, and now the dishwasher is running perfectly fine. So the diagnostic, it's on diagnostic mode. It's gonna still run, but the wash motor is gonna get tested. The drain pump, the water valve was already good. The soap dispenser is gonna open, but so far it's fixed. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube videos. If you guys have any question, please comment below. Thank you.